Hello? We have left from the church. We'll be a little late, okay? Okay. Okay then. Dear, what did the priest say? Oh, busy fidgeting with your phone. Didn't you hear me? What did the priest say?
Oh, please. Then what were you doing until now, Mama?
What did the vicar say?
What would he say? He just copy-pasted every line you said. I got bored of his sermon, so I started playing Candy Crush.
Oh my Jesus. Listening to sermons is good for your soul. Don't you know that?
Maybe so. I never deny that.
I very well know that you don't care about your family or church. Once you get married, you will learn it the hard way.
Oh. Well, Mummy, shall I ask you a doubt?
What is it?
Mummy,
Yes.
when you saw your mother-in-law for the first time before marriage, Mummy,
Yes.
what did you call her?
Now don't provoke me, okay?
Oh, my sweetie.
Get lost. Yeah, bird's eye chili.
Wow.
Ask sir to eat moderately, or he might get ulcer.
As if he listens to me. This is a must for his dinner. He never listens to me.
Looks like you have guests early morning.
Auntie, is Abhi here? He's sleeping. And you? I'm Elizabeth. Don't you know me? This is my mother. Mummy, this is Abhi's mom. Soma auntie.
Something is stinking here. Oh, it's because of the garbage. You guys go inside.
Please come in. Come on, mom. Hi, Anu. Wow, here is Molecule. Mom, hold this. Molecule. Oh, come here, honey. Oh, so sweet, Molecule.
Who is she? His girlfriend.
Auntie's BSc chemistry. That's why she named her Molecule. Am I right, auntie? Abhi.
I want to be like Shah Rukh Khan. Ready? Come on! Come on! Hey, man, dude!
What about his fees?
Hasn't he paid you yet?
Yeah, neither did he, nor did you. No hopes there.
What's your problem?
Dude, she came to my house today.
Who? Priya?
No, Ili.
Hey, shucks. And then?
Then what? I ran out of
Hey,
there.
look at this. My triceps. Hey! Do you know how to build this? You don't know? Do you? Come, I'll show you. You? Dude, why did she call you last night? What is it, honey? Tell me. Please tell me. I knew that very moment that next she would propose a wedding and that would be the end of your life. Come on, touch and see. Easy,
Will you
easy.
please put it down? You know what? I lied to her that when my mom saw the photo, she rejected her because she's short and thin. I lied her to avoid wedding talks. I didn't know that she would directly come home. You think she will ask my mom about it?
Hey, easy.
I have a black strap for that. We'll give you later, okay? Just call me. He is not picking my phone.
During some desperate situations, my brother goes for jogging. Couldn't you inform him before coming here? Needlessly troubled everyone. Well, we'll get going, okay?
By the way, auntie, do you think I'm short? If I put on the heels, I would look taller by 2 inches. See you then. Bye-bye.
Anu, call Abhi now.
It looks like the coast is clear.
Okay then. Auntie, what is for breakfast?
Sprouts.
Sprouts. I'll get going then.
Where were you?
I went for the jogging, mom.
Wait, I need to ask you something. This girl came home looking for you.
I'll take care of it, mom.
Aren't you going for work?
I don't know.